Welcome to Lesson 16. This is the marking of the text lesson. Now, I'm not going to ask you to mark a text in this lesson. You're just going to record your notes on how to mark the text. So I will be polling all of you for a lesson on how to actually practice and highlight a text. But right now, you're just recording your notes because we're going to have different colors that have special meaning. So you're going to just record the following note. It's a one-page sheet that you're going to glue in your reading notebook. Once again, you're just going to record the marking of the text notes with me. So when I pull you for your marking of the text lesson at my lesson table, you have your notes in your reading notebook. So this is just going to tell you what you need to do when you read an article in my class from now on. These are just your notes. So let's begin. At this time, you need to get your reading notebook. So please have your reading notebook in front of you. And also have a map color, a yellow map color, a pink map color, a green map color, and a blue map color. So once again, for this lesson, you need the following map colors: yellow, pink, green, and blue. And your reading notebook. And a glue stick. At the end of this lesson, you will glue the Lesson 16 marking of the text lesson notes in your reading notebook. So let's get started. So this is just going to be these are going to be your notes on what you do when you get an article. Remember, you're not going to mark a text with me in this lesson. You're just recording your notes of what you will need to do. So in this lesson, you're just going to fill out this page, these notes with me. So let's get started. At any time, you can always pause the lesson and go at your own pace. Your notes look a little different than mine. You have the fill in the blank notes. So let's get started, guys. So from now on, when you are reading an article, when you're reading a text, in my class, you must highlight. Each color has a different meaning. So the first row says yellow. So please pick up your yellow map color and shade in the word yellow so it looks like mine right here. Now, after you've shaded in the word yellow with a yellow map color, I want you to go to the second column and write in the word main idea. You can pause to write the word main idea and to color in the yellow word with the yellow map color. So your notes should look like this. Yellow. So when you're reading an article, you must highlight the main idea of the paragraph in yellow. So for every paragraph, you're going to use a yellow map color. You're going to use a yellow highlighter to highlight the main idea of every paragraph. Remember, the main idea is going to be what that paragraph is mostly about. It's just one sentence. Now, pick up your pink map color, and I want you to shade in the word pink with your pink map color. And on the second column, I want you to pick up your pencil, and I want you to write unknown. So when you're reading an article, you must highlight the unknown words in the text, the words you don't know the meaning, and all of the context clues to help you figure out what that word means with a pink highlighter. Once again, all you're doing right now is getting your pink map color and you're shading in the word pink and filling out your notes. Now let's go to the next one. Green will represent the problem or the solution. Sorry, guys. The solution, the conclusion in the text. Green is going to be the solution and conclusion in the text. So please get your green map color and shade in the word green with your green map color and write the word solution on the second column. Now, please get your blue map color and shade in the word blue with your blue map color. And on the second column, I want you to write the word problem. So when you're reading an article, you must highlight the problem and conflict in the text with a blue highlighter. So to recap, right now you should have gotten your yellow map color and you should have shaded in the word yellow, colored it in, so it looks like this. Then you should have gotten your pink map color and shaded in the word pink, your green map color, and shaded in the word green with the green map color. And you should have grabbed your blue map color and shaded in the word blue. And on the second column, you should have the words main idea of paragraph, unknown words in the text, context clues. You should have the word solution, conclusion in the text, and you should have the following words: problem, conflict in the text. This will make more sense as you practice doing this with me in the next lesson. But right now, all you're doing is just filling in your notes. Now let's fill in the rest. Now, you're going to also have to, you're going to write the summary, means the gist. You're going to write the summary of every paragraph on the margins. The margins are all of the space in between your paragraphs when you read an article. And write the word in. Write the word paragraph right here, guys. Your notes look a little different than mine, but they're the same. They're the fill in the blank notes. So at this time, you should have the following notes filled in with me. Write the summary, that's the gist, of every paragraph on the margins, next to the paragraph, that extra space when you read an article, in 3 to 5 words. So from now on, when you read an article, you're going to have to write the summary of every paragraph in just 3 to 5 words. Not sentences, just 3 words or 5 words or less. So 3 to 5 words. So please pause the video and have the following words in your notes. Write them down. Now, lastly, we have a picture of a dog peeing because I want you to start peeing on your test. It says, lastly, pee on your test. And that stands for, I want you to start. So pick up your pencil, write this in with me. Prove every answer. So for every answer, you have to go back in the article and find the sentence that backs up your answer. You have to pee on your test. Don't forget, that means you have to prove every answer. That's why I have the picture of the dog peeing to help you out. I will start using this from now on. I will say, please pee on your test. And that just means prove every answer. So you're done filling in your marking of the text notes. You have color-coded yellow, pink, and green, and blue. You filled out the second column with me. And you filled out this part with me and the last part with me. So at this time, glue your lesson 16 marking of the text notes into your reading notebook. Now, you're prepared for the next lesson that I'm going to pull you for this week, when we're actually going to practice highlighting the main idea of the paragraph in yellow. Unknown words in the text and the context clues will be highlighted with a pink highlighter. The solution and conclusion in the text will be highlighted with green. The problem and conflict in the text will be highlighted with blue. And we're going to write the summary of every paragraph in the margins in 3 to 5 words. So we're going to write the summary of every paragraph in 3 to 5 words underneath each paragraph on the margins, the blank space. And lastly, when we answer the questions, we're going to pee on the test. We're going to prove every answer. So thank you for watching, guys. At this time, if you need to go back and finish filling out the notes, I'll leave the notes here. Please pause the video if you need to catch up. You have filled out your marking of the text lesson, and this was lesson 16. Make sure that you have all of these words in your fill-in-the-blank paper and glue it into your reading notebook. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, guys. Thank you.